Hello everybody, this is Lara with your weekly analysis for US oil for the trading week ending Friday 13th of May 2022. We should assume now the upward trend remains intact while price remains above 98.20 and the target remains the same, 131 to 132. Elliott Wave analysis first, classic analysis last. At the monthly chart level, my wave count sees a huge counter trend movement over down here and the bullish trend resuming. I'm labelling this super cycle wave 2, subdividing as a double zigzag, W, X, Y, where 2 ends, 3 begins. 3 may only subdivide as an impulse. At cycle degree, that will be labelled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're looking for the end of 1. When 1 is over, 2 will be expected to be a bear market lasting about a year and find support at the upper edge of this channel. Draw this channel from this high to this high, place a copy on this low. It's provided resistance and support, and I expect it should provide quite strong support again. Cycle 2 may not move beyond the start of 1, below 10.24, but we're not there yet. I'm still expecting more upward movement to complete cycle wave 1. Let's take a look at this at the weekly chart level. This low down here is this point down here. Here's cycle wave 1 with primary 1 not extended, primary 2 a zigzag, primary 3 an extension, primary 4 a double zigzag, there's alternation between 2 and 4, and primary 5 also extending, with intermediate 1, 2, 3, 4 and now intermediate 5 continuing. This channel is drawn on a chart on a semi-log scale from 1 to 3 with a copy on 2, perfectly shows where pullbacks have found support here, 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 here and here. This channel is now, this lower trend line has been tested multiple times and it continues to hold, so it has good strong technical significance. If intermediate 4 continues sideways, as it could as a triangle or some kind of flat or combination, it may not move into wave 1 price territory below 85.41. That's the final invalidation point for this wave count. If we see a new low below this point, I would then label cycle wave 1 complete. Let's take a look at the daily chart. The high for intermediate 3, this point here, is 2, 3, 4 and 5. With minor 1 and 2 complete, within minor 3, minute 1 and 2 complete, minute 2, A, B, C and expanded flat. Minor 3 may only subdivide as an impulse, and so far 1 and 2 are complete, minute 3 may only subdivide as an impulse, and within it no second wave correction may move beyond its start, below 98.20. Price closed below the lower edge of the channel. This is an overshoot but not a proper breach. I define a breach as a full daily candlestick below and not touching, preferably of downward movement, not sideways. If we saw that, then my wave count would probably be wrong and I would label cycle wave 1 over. We haven't seen that yet. The target is calculated at 2 degrees. At 132, primary 5 will reach 1.618, the length of primary 3, and at 131, intermediate 5 will reach 1.618, the length of intermediate 1. So a $1 target zone calculated at 2 wave degrees has a higher probability. Let's take a look at classic analysis. I still don't have an alternate, it's been invalidated some time ago. At the weekly chart level, we've got a couple of candlesticks here with bullish long lower wicks. This current week is closing with a bullish long lower wick. Can't really make a judgment about volume because it looks like it's going to close red and volume is increasing, so we need to look inside the week to check the volume profile this week. Support continues to hold about 95. On balance volume, the last signal it gave was bullish. RSI neutral, ADX telling us there's no clear trend, stochastics neutral and ATR increasing as price moves sideways, which shows that there's some strength in this movement. At the daily chart level, we can see a little bit more clearly this resistance here at 115 and support at 95. Price is consolidating, swinging from resistance to support and back again, in conjunction with stochastics, swinging from resistance to support and back again. It reached resistance up here, we saw a pullback. Now stochastics is back in neutral territory, expect upward movement probably again until we get to resistance about 115. The last candlestick here is not shown. Friday is another upward candlestick with the high so far at 111, so a little bit below here, but a good strong green candlestick looks likely to be completing. I can't make a judgment about volume for it though. On balance, volume is the range is adjusted, it's constrained, as is price, and ADX at both time frames indicates no clear trend. So we need to see a break above resistance or below support before we can have confidence in the direction of the next trend for US oil. That's all from me with your oil analysis. I hope all our members are looking forward to a fantastic weekend.